You are bidding a project. You are looking for assistance with ceiling layouts and a complete bill of materials with accurate pricing to assist with estimating and takeoffs, as well as provide the on-site construction teams with construction clarity. This isn't an unusual request. It's part of the business being in the construction industry, but today's ceilings are becoming increasingly complex and detailed and take a lot of time to spec. This is why ProjectWorks Pre-Construction Services was created. Once a project is designed and its RCP has been approved, ProjectWorks provides pre-construction service and support. Using advanced technology, we can automate all the parts and pieces within a ceiling layout and provide quick turnaround drawing packages to help you bid, order, and install a project. A typical pre-construction drawing package includes panel, grid, and hub layouts that show how the various ceiling components are installed throughout the project space. A drawing package also includes panel modification, tags, and generic installation details for added construction efficiency. We can also use our software to optimize panel layouts based on realistic scrap reusability. We will provide you a report of the optimized quantities, reducing cost and material at the job site, helping to make your bids more competitive. Finally, we provide a comprehensive bill of materials with quantities, cartons, and item numbers to assist with accurate estimating and takeoffs. For contractors, having the ability to generate fast and accurate takeoffs is not only a time savings, but a cost savings as well. So let us at ProjectWorks help you with your next construction project, and you'll see firsthand how we can enhance your competitive advantage and make it easier to use Armstrong Solutions.